Hey there, thanks for stopping by MacCustoms. So if you're checking out this video, you probably have some questions about your potato crop. Here you can see these are all our potato plants. We put in, I believe, about 36 to 38 of them. We have different varieties in here. One thing I would do different next year is actually group them with each variety. This year we got a little bit excited. We just grabbed a bunch of different kinds, put them all in a big bag, put them in the ground. I mean, there's no harm. Another thing we learned about potatoes after we planted was there's two types of potatoes. There's determinate and there's indeterminate. So determinate potatoes, basically the plant already knows how many potatoes it's going to produce when it's put in the ground. With indeterminate, it gives the potato more growth. It can keep producing as long as the conditions are good. So if your weather is good, if your soil is good, they'll just keep growing potatoes. So you want to think about that. You can check out the different varieties. I can't even remember all the varieties that we have this year. I know we have some Yukon Gold, a couple fingerling options. Like I said, we just got really excited to have a potato garden this year, and we just grabbed a bunch of them. The main purpose today I'm going to show you is why we want to remove these flowers. So if you can see through the garden here, a lot of the plants have these pretty little flowers on top of them. The reason we want to get rid of them, the flower, when it starts to flower here, it actually is telling the plant to stop producing underground, to send all the energy up to turn these to seed. We don't want to turn to seed. We want to cut these off, and we want to get all that energy pushed back down underground and get everything growing. So it's going to yield a bigger, better crop for you. It's really simple to get the flowers off them. I'm just going to use a pair of scissors. It's basically what I had available. You can use gardening shears or whatever. So if you want to come in close here, I'll just show you one of these ones here. What you want to do, you want to find where your flower is starting to stem and just cut it as close as you can. And just simply get rid of those. So I'm going to go through here. As you can see, we have quite a few plants that are flowering, which is a really good sign. That means they're growing really well. And we just basically want to help them out and get more energy back underground, back into our actual potatoes. So super simple. Just simply cut them off. That's really all you have to do. And this is about 6 weeks since we planted this garden. So I think it's coming along pretty well. So just a quick little video for you today, guys. I want to thank you for stopping by MacCustoms. Leave us a comment. Let us know any tips you have about growing potatoes, any questions you might have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you don't already. Like I said, leave us a comment, leave us any tips, and like this video if it helped you out at all. So thanks again, guys, and we'll see you in the next video.